Welcome to Rich's era. It feels like Donald Trump can have to foot the bill for his dangerous behavior along with his own cash for once. Before we intend to continue, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Currently, the twice impeached president is in quandary with the FBI and the Department of Justice for lying concerning the boxes on boxes of classified documents he stowed away in his Florida mega mansion private resort club. Typically, an outgoing president turns over all classified material to the National Archives to be catalogued. It's what virtually each commander-in-chief before Trump has done. However, this right potentate's set to swipe some files on his reply and ship them right down to Mar-a-Lago for some reason. Now, he's facing a government-backed investigation that would have sweeping consequences. And, unfortunately, his friends at the Republican National Committee aren't paying his tab. In line with a report from Politico, the RNC isn't paying for any legal fees concerning the FBI search case. That's a giant deal as a result of most of Trump's past legal battles, together with his fight against NYA lawyer General Tish James' investigation into his non-public businesses, were supported by the Republican Party. The RNC did warn they'd stop paying Trump's legal bills if he's set to begin a third party and last president in 2024, one thing he apparently vulnerable to do shortly once going away workplace. However, currently it appears they're cutting money ties ahead of planned. And it mightn't return at a worse time for Trump, who just hired Chris Kise, a former Florida Solicitor General, to represent him within the criminal investigation. Perhaps this can be all a symptom that Ann Coulter is true concerning Trump being done. Trump handling of classified documents has placed the previous president in serious legal peril, but could even have consequences that damage the country, in line with an analysis by Newsweek. A heavily redacted FBI official document unsealed on Friday provided new details about the volume and nature of the materials retrieved from Trump's Florida home. The document, that was submitted by the FBI so it might get a warrant to look Mar-a-Lago, showed officers at the Justice had raised considerations that closely command government secrets were being lawlessly kept there. Agents came with a warrant on August 8 and removed even a lot of classified documents. The many ways in which Trump handling of documents, and therefore the investigation into it, could have an effect on the country. The official document doesn't reveal details concerning the 11 sets of classified documents recovered by the FBI throughout the August 8 search of Mar-a-Lago, Trump residence and a personal club accessible to members and their guests. However, it disclosed that among the 15 boxes that the National Archives and Records Administration retrieved from Trump's zero in Gregorian calendar month was classified material that concerning the utilization of clandestine human sources in intelligence gathering. Douglas London, a former senior CIA officer, has warned of the hazards to those sources' lives if that information was to fall under enemy hands, which means that the clues which may be within the intelligence are classified items of knowledge that the president took with him to Mar-a-Lago offer clues and pointers that adversaries would possibly use to spot the suggests that of that info obtaining out, London said on MSNBC. It's serious business.